I think that was 4 grains of yellow. Seems to be going a long ways. I put some blue in and then filled the hopper. Now I'm going to put in some red. Now that's quite a few. I'd say more than 10, less than 20 pellets of red. Yellow's run out. The red is starting to go down the hopper a bit. I'm thinking of adding a little more clear pellets and then a little bit of yellow to see if I can get orange. I've added some more clear, some red is still showing, and now I'm going to add some yellow. Don't know if that's going to mix or not, but find out. Here comes more yellow. I don't know why. Maybe a pellet got stuck somewhere and it's just coming through now. I don't know. So that yellow ran out a while ago, as you can see. The hopper's still pretty full, so I don't know when the next color is going to come. If I remember correctly, there should be blue first, and then the red and the yellow combo. But we'll see. Oh, I was right, the blue is coming. Now, I'm pretty sure there was only like 3, 4, or 5 pellets of blue, so this should go through pretty fast. And then there should be an interval of clear, and then the red should start. Oh, here comes the red. I thought there would be a bigger interval of clear. So we could see some orange, possibly, soon.